that the allegations in respect of 2 persons named there in the PSI recruitment were found to be true. Despite having failed in the physical test, these persons were allowed to attend the written test, and what is worst, they qualified with flying colors and in the merit list for being appointed as PSI. Who is the one who hated the team and comprised the team which conducted the physical test of these 2 candidates, and what was the report made by them? Because unless there was a report, they could not have gone in for a written test. And if the videos have found that these people did not pass the physicals, then these people have made a false report. These people who comprised of that committee, which was overseeing this physical tests, they have to be held accountable. They have to be booked in addition to these 2 candidates who happily went to sit over there for the written examination, knowing they had failed. If these people who were in the committee have not given a false report, then my contention is that you have to find out those people at a higher level who managed it. Fire and emergency service, every colleague of mine has spoken about them. I have seen that from 2014, there are vacancies. Why are people not being promoted? People who have completed 11 years of service are not being given promotion. What will happen? They will retire and just fade away. Why not give them the chance? If we have those posts, you don't have to create them. Yesterday or day yesterday, we were hearing about the problems of the airport and the development, which is not possible because our town planning has no control over the airport authorities and FOGA, which is giving the permissions. This is going to happen on the coast, and you take my word, you watch what I'm saying. Even shacks tomorrow, because of election, it was not done, but tomorrow when the shack permissions have to be given, our government will have no control. It will go into the hands of the port authorities. If they say yes, then it will go. If it not, same way in the rivers. We have seen marinas in the river. If you and I want to make any development, they will say CRZ violation. They will say port not possible. If somebody else comes and lines their pockets, they will say this is good for infrastructure. They will say it's good for development. They will allow this. Trust me, what's happening. The major port authority, now which we call the Murmugaon Port Authority, will end up being nothing more than the British East India Company. Home guards are performing virtually similar duties as police constables. In many cases, they even assist in the investigation of cases. It is but natural that they would expect their salaries to be brought on par with police constables and being given other incentives as extended to police constables. I request that provisions in this regard be made for them also.